This is Pioneer's AVH-521EX. This is an in-dash AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 6.8-inch touchscreen. The AVH-521EX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's pop this open. There we go. All right, the first thing we get here is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness that we'll use to connect all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle, like power and ground and speaker connections. All of those type of connections happen through this. Next up, we have the USB extension. So the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, and so we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next up, we have a handful of install screws. There's a small bag of screws there. All right, then we have the wireless remote control. Wireless remote control is included in the box. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. So we'll use the Bluetooth microphone here to make hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. This comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Next up, we have the quick start guide. Here's the quick start guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. All right, and then we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. All right, and let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-521EX has a simple layout. The volume control is here. The home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. The CD and DVD slot is across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.8-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-521EX starts off with 2 black plugs up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. This port is dedicated to the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. The USB port here can be used to connect your phone for use with the WebLink app. The USB port can be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. The Pioneer AVH-521EX has a built-in amplifier designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of 4-volt output RCAs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here is the RCA video output and the RCA audio and video input. And this can also be used as a second camera input. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-521EX. And what's in the box?